Hola y welcome to the Daily Word Builder. Let's estudiar un poco de vocabulario. The word for this week is completo. Nice easy word. Let's think about un puzzle, a jigsaw puzzle, que tiene todas las partes. So it has all the parts. Todas or todos is such a lovely word, meaning all. Un juego is a game. Un juego que tiene todas las piezas está completo. El juego está completo. You can use that. Sí, el juego está completo, es perfecto. And there's another meaning of the word, perfecto. So I love the words that are used in the definition. Un amor completo, a perfect love, or un deportista completo, a perfect sportsman. And the definition is que cumple con todos los requisitos. And okay, there's a couple of words in there that I love. Cumple is it completes or it meets. Que cumple con todos los requisitos. What a lovely word. Requirements. It sounds exquisite, doesn't it? Requisitos. Completo also means full. So, el coche está completo. It's full up. La sala, which is a room. You get that, like a saloon. La sala está completa. You notice completo, completa, it agrees with the gender and the number of the noun. So it could be completo, completa, completos, completas, whichever it, they all work. And also, finalmente, completo can mean finished. So la obra en el teatro. La obra is the work, the play. La obra ya está completa. Y este video ya está completo. I hope you enjoy learning un poco de vocabulario. It's king, isn't it? It's king to learning un lenguaje. So subscribe y nos vemos mañana. Hasta mañana. Adiós.